Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tactic Light Force is probably one of the most intriguing self-defense tools available today. In this video, we're diving deep into the Tactic Light Force Taser, exploring its features, effectiveness, and whether it's the right choice for your personal safety needs. We'll cover everything from its design and ease of use to its practical applications and potential drawbacks, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. SABRE Pepper Spray and Stun Gun Self-Defense Kit. SABRE is the #1 pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide. It's made in the USA and used by professionals like the New York PD and US Marshals. You can trust it to protect you. Many violent crimes involve offenders under the influence. This max-strength pepper spray is designed to be effective against attackers under the influence of drugs or alcohol. It's backed by our in-house HPLC lab. With a 10-second spray time and a range of up to 14 feet, it provides extended protection. This is especially important if you are facing multiple attackers. The powerful stream helps to decrease wind blowback. The finger grip enhances your aim, helping you keep your eye on the threat. It includes a quick-release key ring for immediate access. The twist lock safety makes it secure and easy to use. The packaging includes links to free SABRE pepper spray training videos. These videos and safety tips will help you maximize your personal safety. Use them to learn how to best use the product. What we like. This kit combines pepper spray and a stun gun, offering a dual defense approach. It's incredibly strong, designed to work even against those under the influence. If you're looking for a comprehensive self-defense tool that covers multiple scenarios, you should consider this. What people say. The light is very bright on the taser and it fits perfectly in my hand. The taser comes with a case charger and is very lightweight. The sound is super loud and intimidating. Number 4. Police 305 Stun Gun with LED Flashlight. This is a powerful stun gun flashlight combination. It delivers the strongest available power and is backed by a lifetime warranty. The LED flashlight can help disorient attackers from a distance. This may allow you to escape to safety before needing to use the stun feature. This self-defense tool is made with ultra-strong ABS plastic and a non-slip rubber coating. It's designed to be both lightweight and durable. The stun gun has an internal rechargeable battery. It simply plugs into a standard wall outlet for a complete recharge, and no batteries are needed. A charging cord is included. It includes an on-off safety switch. This keeps the stun gun safe from accidental discharges while carrying it in your pocket or purse. It is only 7.5 inches long, making it easy to carry. A holster case with a belt loop is included. This allows for easy everyday carrying. What we like. This stun gun is designed for professional-grade defense. The built-in LED flashlight can disorient attackers, giving you an edge. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use stun gun with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, this is a great choice. What people say. The quality feels and looks good and they were delivered on time. Now, the stun sounds great, is definitely a deterrent, and most likely will bite hard if needed. Works perfectly for my purposes. I needed a dependable, rechargeable solution for the many stray dogs I encounter on my runs, walks, and bike rides. A friend told me if I got a product like this and simply trigger the stun function, the dogs go running, and they did. I simply keep the cover on the top so that I don't accidentally stun myself. Anytime I see an unleashed dog walking in my direction, I hit the red button and the sound alone frightens them away. I hope over time it will condition them to stop approaching strangers. I even found a bike mount for it on Amazon and use it as a light for my bike in the evenings. I simply recharge it every few days. As far as the other features, I love the short, non-USB cable to charge it. I just leave it plugged in by the back door and place the light on the charger when I need to. The connection is strong enough that you can simply let it dangle from the outlet and it won't come off. You can turn the stun function off on the end of the light if you want to have it disabled, and it also cancels out the stun function if the flashlight is on. I will be ordering another to keep as a backup since the price is so low and it works exactly how I need it to. Number 3. SABRE 2-in-1 Tactical Stun Gun. SABRE is a brand trusted by police and consumers. This stun gun is independently tested to ensure reliable protection when you need it most. This stun gun delivers a painful 2.517C charge. It is designed to maximize your self-protection when faced with an attacker. A safety switch prevents accidental discharge. The bright 130-lumen LED flashlight helps you quickly locate door locks in the dark. It can also help you find essentials in a purse or bag. The built-in rechargeable battery allows multiple uses and power when you need it. It includes a holster to discreetly and easily store in a purse or loop on a belt for instant access. Feel secure with every SABRE product. Packaging includes links to free training videos. You will be better prepared to use it in the face of danger. What we like. This stun gun delivers a powerful charge for maximum self-protection. The bright LED flashlight helps you see in the dark. If you like a discreet and easy-to-carry stun gun with a safety switch, you should consider this. What people say. The entire thing is metal, and it charges from mostly dead to pretty darn alive in about 6 hours. The second trick this nicely built unit has is it also has a strobe that's a click away, and if you have never owned a tactical flashlight with a strobe setting, you may not believe that it's probably better at keeping someone at bay than being able to hit a perfect 1980s era Van Damme split, and giving your potential assaulter the Neo bring it gesture at the same time. Powerful and painful shock which will knock anyone right onto the ground, strobe light which can enable you to escape without having to close with them, always better, and a pretty decent charging time. Number 2. Lipstick stun gun for women with safety disable pin. This lipstick-shaped stun gun is small enough to carry in your hand or purse. It delivers an electrifying jolt and a loud sound to deter attackers. It's also sleek enough to be a daily accessory. It features a powerful 100-lumen flashlight. This bright light can be seen from a distance, which is very helpful in dark environments. Its shape makes people ignore it. Hidden in the front bezel is a high-voltage stun prong. This can immobilize an attacker, giving you time to get away. This self-defense tool is compact and fits on your keychain. You can easily access it whenever and wherever you need it. We offer a lifetime warranty. If you're not fully satisfied, you can exchange it for another one. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This lipstick stun gun is designed for discreet carry and ease of use. It's small enough to fit in your hand or purse, and the powerful flashlight can be seen from yards away. If you are looking for a stylish and easily concealed self-defense tool, you should consider this. What people say. The Tactic Light Force Taser is a very effective self-defense tool. The stun gun is easy to carry and conceal. It has a bright flashlight. Number 1. Mini stun gun with LED flashlight. Tired of bulky stun guns? This mini stun gun is half the size, yet packs more power. It's designed for easy handling and maximum effectiveness. Equipped with an LED flashlight, this device helps you navigate in the dark. Feel safer in parks, streets, or any environment with this reliable self-defense tool. Forget about batteries. This stun gun charges via USB. It's also a keychain, wearable with a lanyard, making it easy to find in your bag or pocket. This mini stun gun includes a safety switch to prevent accidental discharge. The shock function only activates when the safety is on, ensuring safe handling. We stand behind our products with quality assurance and excellent after-sales service. If you have any issues, contact us via email. We're here to help. What we like. This mini stun gun is compact yet powerful, perfect for everyday carry. It features USB charging, eliminating the need for batteries. If you like a small, easily accessible, and reliable self-defense tool, you should consider this. What people say. The key fob is realistic in appearance and feel. The light is a useful feature. When you hit the stun button there is a very visible arc flash accompanied by a disturbing electrical crackle that should scare off just about anyone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.